What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I have another trade idea for you all on Zoom stock, ticker symbol ZM. The chart is setting up very nice for a swing trade, so in today's video I'll break down the technicals, show you exactly why you should be buying the stock, and then I'll also show you guys my price target and my stop loss as well. And then if you stay towards the end, I'll also give you guys a bonus stock that you could hop into right now as well. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot and it only takes 2 seconds to do. And then also, if you want to be a part of a free Discord community, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, now that we have the chart pulled up on Zoom, I'm going to go over the exact setup that I see for this chart so that you can play the swing trade as well. So if we zoom in on Zoom, as you can see, recently they had earnings and they gapped down quite a bit. And this created a huge gap on the daily chart. As we can see, they pushed up on the day of earnings all the way up to about $347. And then right from there, they gapped down to a low of 288. So pretty big move to the downside for the stock. But if we take a look at the bigger picture, as we can see on the RSI, we are oversold, which is nice to see. And then what I mainly want to show you guys is that Zoom fell to a key support area. Back here, they were struggling on this same area with resistance. And then after they broke above it, now it's acting as support. So that is the level on Zoom, right around 285 to 270 on the chart. And if I zoom back in the past, we'll see previously resistance, as I said before, and then it acted as support over here back in May. So this is the setup that I see on the chart. As we can see, it bounced from this area last time, and right here, now it fell right into that support line when it fell from earnings. So this is why I like the chart a lot, right on a nice area. This is where I would start to build my position on Zoom. And then as it starts to bounce, that's where I would start to add more contracts or even shares depending on how you play it. And as I said before, we do have this gap to fill right here, and more times than not, stocks always fill their gap. So I do see them going back to at least where they fell from, right around $341, because that would fill the gap on that time frame. Now, when it comes to my stop loss, obviously you want to keep your stop loss underneath the support area. So if I map that out for you guys, it would be underneath this rectangle that I drew on my chart. So if Zoom fell around $270, under anything under that, that's where I would cut my position. And as I said before, my price target is around 340. So it's a really nice risk to reward ratio. We're only risking about $15 to the downside for a decent move towards the upside. And another reason why I like this setup, I seen this previously on Fiverr, and I was keeping an eye on Fiverr because same exact setup. They fell because of earnings. As we can see, they created that gap on the daily time frame. They started to fall closer to their support. And as you can see, where they previously bounced from, they bounced from again. And now they're starting to head in the upward direction, starting to fill that gap. So this Fiverr setup is literally the same exact one as Zoom. And I do see Fiverr continuing to fill this gap. So that's the same thing I see with Zoom. And that's why you should be playing this swing trade. Now, for the bonus stock, I do like Roku. Roku has been falling for a decent amount of time. As you can see, they peaked right around $490 and now they're at $320. So they fell over $150. And the main thing I see with Roku is that, again, similar to Zoom, they're on a nice support area. These are plays that I really like to play. I like to play stocks that continuously bounce from a certain level. And as we can see in the past, Roku has shown buyers stepping in right around this area right here and here as well. Right here in the middle, you can see that they fell underneath it for a day or two, but then they quickly reversed back towards the upside, retested it right here, and then had a nice continuation higher. So this is why I like Roku a lot. I do see them having a decent size move in the next few days to come. It's pretty much due for Roku. They've been falling for quite a while. And if I zoom out a little bit more, we'll see that the RSI is right around 31. So it's pretty much oversold. And we should see a nice bounce coming soon, at least back up to the 20 SMA. So those are the two plays that I really like a lot. As I said before, Zoom has a gap to fill on the daily time frame, and I do see them filling that within the next few weeks. So I would hop in a few call options for Zoom about a month out. That gives it plenty of time to play out. And then for Roku, same thing with that. I'd buy a month out call option and then play the bounce to the upside. Let me know what you guys think about these two setups in the comment section down below and whether or not you'll be playing them as well. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.